Are you trying to grow your Instagram followers, but no matter how you post every single day and your Instagram just doesn't grow? In this training video, I want to show you how you can get 10,000 followers on your Instagram account without making your own video. And yes, you can do this completely faceless. Hey, my name is Daniel Chou. I'm a father, husband, and online entrepreneur. On this channel, I share with my audience the strategies I'm using that help me make over multiple seven figures online. So if you haven't followed my channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow my channel so you don't miss out any of my future videos. Let's dive right in. Okay, now you can see my cell phone screen. So this is our main account. Let me show you the results first so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so if you go to Reel section, you see there is one video, right? 43.9 million views. Okay, so click on it, completely faceless, and I want to show you step by step how you can do this as well, so you can grow your Instagram page much faster. Okay, so when we click on insights, check this out. So this video has reached over 37 million people, right? If we scroll down, you can see follows, right? 31,784 followers just from this one video. Okay, so how can you do the same, right? Here's exactly how we do it. Okay, so how can you do the same, right? Very simple. I want to show you step by step how to do it. Okay, so this particular strategy, we're gonna use Instagram Reel feature called remix. So you can see there is one video, it shows 43.9 million views. Okay, this one. And let's take a look at the insights data. This video has reached over 37 million accounts on Instagram, right? How many followers? 31,784 followers just from this one video. And guess how long it took me to make this video? 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. Let me show you how you can do the same. We're gonna use the strategy called remix. Okay, remix is the feature that Instagram allow you to use. So simply you just leverage other people's successful videos and grow followers on your account. Okay, so let me find you the original video first. Okay, so this was the original video. Okay, so you can see this was from this creator, right? So how can we do this, right? I'm gonna use my small account to show you how to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my smaller account. Okay, I have a small account here for demo purpose. So I'm gonna recreate that video by using remix. Okay, so let's find the video you want to remix first. So what I do is you know what? I'm gonna just simply search our main account. Then I'm gonna grab this one. I'm gonna go to the original video. Okay, so you can see the creator right now. This one was the original creator of this video. So what we do is click on these three dots right here. You see there is the remix feature. Okay, this is a legit way for you to leverage other people's videos on Instagram. Okay, so you click on remix. Okay, so the way you do it, okay, couple steps. Number one, you have to edit this video somehow. Okay, so the easiest way to do it, I see usually add a dot on the video. I'm gonna change it to black color. Okay, see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna change it to black color. Now I'm gonna actually put this dot onto something that's black, so the audience cannot see it, right? But it's there. Let's double check. Edit video. Okay, you can see I already added another track, which is my black dot. Okay, but nobody can see it. Now I did the editing. Done. Simply hit next. Boom. That's how quick you can get one video ready without you making your own. Okay, and I just show you the results. The same video through this strategy that got our main account over 31,000 followers from this one simple video. Take you like 2-3 minutes to make. Now all you need to do, just simply add in caption. Okay, so let me grab my caption. Let me find it. I already got the caption ready to go. Copy it, go back to Instagram, paste it. I'm gonna add my wife's account here, tag my small account. Boom. Okay, tagging people, tagging your own account is optional. Okay, but you can also tag your account to this remix video, so more people can when more people see this video, more people will follow you back. Okay, I'm gonna share it to my Facebook page as well. That's it, job done. Okay, then I simply share it. Now it's uploading. Go back to my main page. Boom, the video is right there. Okay, the video is right there. That's how quick you can make a video on Instagram by simply leveraging other people's successful videos through Instagram remix feature. Okay, super powerful. Okay, so everybody can grow a following on Instagram. Okay, now the next step, once you already build a small audience on your Instagram page, the next thing you need to do is to learn how you can monetize your audience. And for what I do is I recommend for more different digital products on my Instagram page. And that's how I made multiple seven figures at home. And you can do this without having your own product. Same concept, okay? On Instagram, you can borrow other people's successful videos to grow your following. When you need to monetize your following, you can borrow other people's successful products and you promote those products. When people buy from you, you make a hefty commissions. If you want to learn how you can do this at home, how you can monetize your audience, right? I put a link down below in the video description. Click on that link, then you can see how it looks like for you. And if you want to learn how you can monetize your audience without having your own product by simply leveraging other people's successful products without creating your own, and you want to see what it looks like, right? I put a link in the video description. Click on that link, check it out for yourself. And until then, I will see you in my next training video. Let's go.